Hey everyone, what is beer made of? Well, beer is an alcoholic beverage produced from sugar obtained from cereals and other grains, flavored and aromatized with hops, which are then fermented in water with yeast. So the basis of traditional beer production must contain four ingredients: water, malt, hops, and yeast. Let's start the explanation of the ingredients by commenting on the water. It seems silly to highlight this ingredient, but many people, when they think about beer, don't remember how this component can be vital for our beers. Water represents more than 90% of the composition of the beer, and its qualities is very important for production process. That is, it must be filtered and without chlorine. For this, different technologies are used, where brewers can adapt the water according to the style of the beer, remove or add salts and minerals, adjust the pH, etc. Now let's talk about the malt ingredient. To begin with, we want to highlight that this is the ingredient that influences the color, body, and alcoholic strength of the beer. Malt is very important, but we have to clarify something. Unlike what many think, malt is not a cereal. It is the result of subjecting a certain cereal grain to a process called malting. The cereal grain most used in brewing beer is barley malt, as it is rich in sugar and low in proteins. On the other hand, wheat, rye, and oat malt are also widely used. During the roast process of the grain, the aromas and flavors of the malt are defined. From there come the notes of chocolate, coffee, cake, bread, well, an infinite number of possibilities in both aroma and flavors. Let's talk about hops. This is the ingredient responsible for the intensity of bitterness of the beer. Humulus lupulus, scientific name, is a climb plant that can reach up to 8 meters in weight, and only its female flower can be used in the production of beer because they are rich in lupulin, an essential substance for the aromas and bitterness of beer. In addition, hops are a natural bactericide and fungicide, which helps preserve beer. And many varieties provide different characteristics to the beer. We have hops of different nationalities: Australian, German, Czech Republic, North America, Japanese, etc. And different types: hops from aroma, bitter hops, and mixed hops. All this plurality helps the beers to have aromas of passion fruit, or flowers, mango, or pineapple. There are endless possibilities. Last but not least, the yeast. Yeast is the fungus responsible for mixing the ingredients through fermentation. Some brewery masters dare to admit that they don't prepare the beer. What they do is organize the environment for the yeast to work. There are also different types of yeasts: low fermentation, lager beer; high fermentation, ale beer; spontaneous fermentation. In general, they define the profile of the aroma, flavor, and particular body of each beer. Now, let's taste some beers together. Cheers!